Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I've been losing weight and look, I'm wearing things I like now.
Well,
Now,
that's sweet.
I want to show you how to lose weight too and how I've been doing it with salads. Salads. And everybody's saying that. But I'm going to show you how to make my Salsa Ranch chicken and shrimp salad. Oh yeah. Up next on Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Okay, let me show you what you're gonna need. I've got right here, I got Mike as the cameraman, 2 heads of romaine lettuce. Okay, I've also chopped up 2 red onions, 2 beefsteak tomatoes, 1 large green pepper or 2 small ones. I've chopped up 1 carrot very finely. I've also chopped up some cucumber. Okay, I've got 2 boiled eggs, and I've got a can of black beans, rinsed. You can also use red beans, rinsed, okay? We also have a pound of shrimp and 2 chicken breasts chopped up. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is put my chicken in my skillet I've already got heated up and sear it. We're gonna cook this up. With a little bit of onion powder, okay? Some black pepper, about a teaspoon of each. I'm just doing it by taste. And to give it a little kick, some cayenne pepper. Now you don't have to use cayenne pepper, you don't have to use that, but I am, okay? We're gonna make the chicken spicy. This salad is gonna have a kick to it. Do this until your chicken is cooked. Once this is cooked, then you're going to put in your shrimp. We'll be right back. All right, our chicken is done. Look at that. Nice and seared. And spicy. It's done enough for your liking, Mr. Mike.
Yes.
All right. Look at that. There it comes apart, nice and juicy. We're going to take this out. Now in the same skillet, do not clean the skillet because you still want all that goodness, see that's in the skillet right there, to be in there. I'm going to add me a little bit more oil. Excuse me, Mr. Mike. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Just a little. Ooh. Almost added too much. And throw in my shrimp. I'm out of there. All right. We're going to take some Old Bay seasoning with 30% less sodium. We're going to shake that all over our shrimp, okay? We're going to make some Cajun tasting shrimp in just a second. All right, I used about a tablespoon, a little more, some cayenne pepper to give it that kick. All right, black pepper, about a teaspoon of each, okay? All right. These shrimp won't take no time at all. So you're going to move them around. See how they turning pink like that? When they are completely pink, they are done. But you're going to sear them a little bit. All right? So you're going to have a little brown on them. I got my fire up. Shrimp don't take that long. As soon as they are done, we're going to build this salad. Now, I'm also going to show you how to make the dressing I put on the salad. It's real simple. Or you can just use a Salsa Ranch. Be right back. Nieces and nephews, look at these shrimp. Yes! All right. We're going to take these out of the skillet. And we are going to put this salad together. Just keep on recording. Yes, yes.
That looks nice.
Meet me right over here.
You can actually make fajitas like that.
Yes, you can.
Just add some onion and bell pepper.
Now we're gonna let these cool down a little bit, nieces and nephews. But first, we're gonna build our salad. Pretend you're making a pizza. My hands are impeccably clean. We first put our bed of lettuce, okay? That's your base to your salad. All right. We're gonna spread this out. By the way, this makes a lot for several people. This would be great at a party, okay? Now, all I did off camera was slice up my egg. We're gonna take our onion and put that on next. Now I'm only gonna put it on half because some people don't like onion, do they, Mr. Mike?
No, I don't. Especially raw onion.
Oh, yes. All right. Now I'm gonna take my tomatoes and I'm gonna put them all over the salad. No rhyme or reason, but just like you would do a pizza, you're gonna put this all over. Okay? Put some in the middle. I even got some leftover cherry tomatoes I'm gonna throw through here. Remember, this was also like my rainbow salad. I got a video on that too. Eat the multicolors of your salads, okay? Now I've got me some green pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle that all around. Green pepper and chopped carrot. Look how that's doing. See? Look at that. Look at that. Now, we're gonna take our beans and we're going to put them over liberally in the center as best you can. Okay? This is gonna be the bed for our shrimp and chicken. It'll also help not let it wilt. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Now, take your cucumber, put that around your beans as decoratively as you can. Like I said, there's no rhyme or reason to it. You're gonna center it around them just like this, okay? And you got some extra cucumber here if somebody wants some more to put on their salad just personally, all right? Now I'm reserving the egg for last. Now we're gonna take our platter and put some of our chicken and stuff right over top. In fact, I'm gonna take my tongs and make it easy for myself. Put your chicken right over the top. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm.
That's a big salad.
Oh, yes. Now take your shrimp. Uh-oh. Hey, come back here.
We're losing the shrimp,
No,
guys.
we're not. I'm going to rinse them suckers off and eat them later. All right. Now, beautiful salad. Beautiful presentation. This is for a party. Serve it on a much larger platter than I did. But look at that. I have mine on a Lazy Susan so people can pick off the size that they want. Okay? Now, you can use a Salsa Ranch. Okay? Or you could do this. Take you a tablespoon of either light or regular sour cream. Okay? Put in about a half a cup or more of ranch. Buttermilk ranch. That's what I'm putting in here. Then take you a cup of salsa. Depending upon how much you want to make, you can do 2 cups. Just double the recipe if you need more, okay? I'm just making this right now for 2 people. We're going to combine this. This cool, delicious salsa ranch dressing is the bomb. Now, this is a salad you can eat with friends, family. This will feed your whole family. And it was not that expensive. So remember, it's not dieting. It's about eating right, low sodium, okay? And having fun with it. Your whole family can make this, okay? Now, if you guys got any questions, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com, okay? Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey there in a pickle. Hey Donna. Hello everyone else. If I've missed your name, write to me. I'm going to do a special shout out to you guys, okay? All right. I've got some chowing down to do. Oh, also, I'm going to show you a crafting video. Since Miss Nina broke my vase. Yeah. Till next time on Uncle Chris. Whoa, wait a minute. Nieces and nephews, I almost forgot to show you what we did with the egg. You put it on top at the end. Oh, yes. Yes, now I am going to, of course, drizzle. You don't need a lot of dressing with this salad. All right, till next time. Big love to all my nieces and nephews out there, okay? Bye-bye.
Every